Do you get referrals from your past clients? I do. It's pretty great, isn't it? Hi, welcome to Creative License. I am your host, Bill, and thanks again for checking in on the little show. So, client referrals. I live and die by them. My business is 100% referrals. Clients saying nice things about me. Customers, guests, people who have heard about me or know about me or seen me. They're saying great things. That's my business model. Without it, I'm spending a lot more money with marketing to communicate a thing that's difficult to communicate. So you get them, and a lot of people do. And I've heard this question before, which is when you've got somebody because of a referral, what do you do for that person who gave the referral? In other words, do you send them a gift? Do you give them money? What do you do? I mean, you're grateful. You want to be thankful. Okay, so that's a good question. And I've dealt with it myself. Here's the thing though. If someone likes you so much that they refer you to a new client, they're doing that because it makes them feel good. They discovered you. They know how amazing you are. And they love the fact that they can share this discovery with somebody else. They're excited about it. And they're so excited about it. They're really excited about it because they don't really have any reason to say so, except that they had a great experience. So, and you're sitting in, well, I should be grateful, right? I should say something nice. I should do something nice. I should give them a thank you. So you spend a lot of time, I'll send them a gift card to Starbucks. I'll send them a $50 gift certificate. I'll send them a pie, right? I'll do something like that. And that's just being smart, right? It's being grateful and giving money out to thank people for the lovely thing they did for you. Yeah, that makes sense. And it makes so much sense that it was part of my plan for a very long time. Well, not so long. It was a long time ago. And it lasted really for about 3 months. And let me tell you why, which you probably can guess. I thought to myself, just like you did, I should probably thank these people. So I got a referral, I got a job. How did you hear from me? I heard about you from Mary and Dave. So I find Mary and Dave's address. I send them a thank you for introducing me and referring me to Susan and Michael. And here's a gift card for $100 to your favorite restaurant. Well, I did that over about a 3-month period. And in about a month, I started to get letters back from the clients I sent the gifts to. And inside the letter was the gift saying, hey man, you're great, but this is not why I refer you. Please, I don't want you to feel like the only reason I tell people about you is because you give me money or because you give me gifts. And I got that from everybody I sent gift cards to over that 3-month period. Everybody. What I figured out was these people were insulted. Which is upsetting because I really want to just do something nice. I don't get a chance to thank my clients. At least it doesn't feel like it. They pay me a great deal of money to work for them, to be their MC, to give them entertainment for their wedding day. And they compensate me. And they thank me. And I give them a thank you at the end and a hug. But they gave me money. So why wouldn't I give them a gift? Well, it's because of that. It's because they believe that they're recommending you because they believe in you. And they like their recommendation the way it is because, well, it comes from the heart. They don't have to answer to, well, maybe I did that because I was going to make money, right? So they feel that maybe it cheapens it. And I know that because I asked them. So, have you done this before? Have you run into the same thing? Do you have an idea that works for you? Because really, if you want to thank your client, you know how you do it? You thank them. Send them a card. Write a letter. Do a note. Take a picture at the event and send it to them, a picture that they wouldn't get from anybody else. Show them that you value your time with them and their trust in you. But when you put a monetary value to it, for them, it usually cheapens it. At least that's been my experience. What do you think? Write your comments below. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.